Good morning students, today we will discuss on the insert tab. So the insert tab consists of commands required for inserting different elements in the slides or inserting in slides itself. Okay. It contains several commands such as slide, duplicate slide, page number, date and time fields, hyperlink, etc. Here you will see first is file tab, edit tab, view tab, and this is insert tab. Here it contains slide, duplicate slide, page number, date and time fields, hyperlink, etc. Picture, etc. Okay. Now slide is used for insert a new slide. Duplicate slide is used for insert duplicate slide of the currently selected slide. Page number is used for insert page number. Date and time is used for insert date and time. Fields is used for insert fields such as date, time, count. Hyperlink is used for insert hyperlink. And picture is used for insert a picture from a file. Okay. Now I will show you. Go to the insert tab, click on the page number. Here header and footer screen appears. Now click on the date and time. It is fixed or variable. Fixed means it will show according to the system time. Variable means you can change the language of the date according to this selected language: English, South Africa, English, UK, S2. Here you will see same alone 2, 2020. Okay, French. Here 2 Juliet 2020. You can choose any language. Okay. Now footer, if you want to write any text in the footer, suppose I am writing hello, so you can write in the footer text. It will show on the right hand side of the bottom of the right hand side of the slide. Click on the slide number. It will also show the slide number at the bottom. Do not show on first slide. If you will click, then it will show on the first slide. If you will click, it will not show on the first slide. If you will ignore it, it will show on the first slide. So click apply to all. It will apply to all the slides. Okay. Apply will, if you will click on the apply, it will apply only first slide. So click apply to all. Okay. Now here you can see 2 July 20, 2 July 2020 here, and here hello, and here is 1. Page number is 1. Here you text the type hello and 2 July 2020. Okay. And the other slide, second slide, slide number 2, hello 2 July 2020. Okay. Now click on the hyperlink. Type here URL. Suppose www.google.com. Now apply this. Now close. Here you will see a hyperlink of google.com appears. If you will double click, you can see the hand type of symbol. If you will click on the google.com, it will open the Google web page. Okay. Now next tab is format tab. The format tab consists of commands required for formatting the presentation slides. It contains several commands such as character, paragraph, bullets and numbering, line, area, text, slide layout, etc. Okay. Now I will show you this: character, paragraph, bullets and numbering, page, change case, line, area, text, etc. So first we will click on the character. First we will select a text, go to the format, click on the character. Here you can change the font style to be or such type of. Now you can italic, change the face. You can increase the size 60, above 60. Click OK. Here you will see the output. Now I will do Control Z. Okay, Control Z. Now next is paragraph. Now in the paragraph indent, it is used for before text, after text, first line. You can use spacing before text, after text, and first line. Here is spacing. Above paragraph, how much spacing we need. You can increase or decrease. Below paragraph, how much spacing we need. We can increase or decreasing according to us. How much line spacing we need. 1.5 double or okay. Now click OK. Okay. Now next is bullets and numbering. Okay. Select all the text. Now click bullets and numbering. Which type of bullet you need, you can select. Okay. Now here you will see bullet. Next is line. Line means which type of line you need. Dot take, continuous, fine dashed, ultra fine dash, or line with fine dots. Click OK. Which type of color you need. Green, red. Okay. Click OK. Here you will see now area. If you want to area, fill the area. Click any color, select any color. Okay, click OK. Here you will see the text area covered by green color. Okay, thank you students.